How to add a payee in Capital One Bill Pay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to pay a bill through Capital One, first you'll need to add a payee. And here is how to do it using the Capital One website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here once you see the interface like this, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner and after that simply enter your credential on the next page to log in to your Capital One account. And there once logged in, simply head to the main menu and select Bill Pay or go directly to your checking account and find the bill pay option. And here in the bill pay section, simply click on add a payee and then enter the payee name such as your utility company and their billing address and account number. And make sure all the info is correct. And after that, you can simply click on add payee or save to complete the process and a new payee will now appear in your list. And now that your payee is added, you can schedule a payment anytime by selecting them from your bill pay list. And that's it. That's how you can add a payee in Capital One Bill Pay. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.